Hi, it's Trisha from Equine Energetics with today's quick tip. Today's tip is to feel. When you're with your horse, whether or not you're specifically practicing your animal communication skills, take some time to notice how you actually feel. Slow things down. Notice your emotions changing and see if you can identify each one. Notice what and where you feel things in your body. Is it only in your head? Is it in your heart or somewhere else? Can you identify if what you're feeling belongs to you or your horse? So feel. Notice what you're feeling, where you're feeling it, and whether it belongs to you or whether it belongs to your horse. I'd love to hear how you get on. Let me know in the comments. And in the meantime, keep connecting with your horses.